I'm going to be sharing with you guys the two of my favorite tools with which you can remove your body hair easily at home without any pain, and they are so affordable. You guys may try it out. So without further ado, let's get started. This is a new product that I actually got from the brand called Blush. This brand actually sent me this product, and guys, I'm just loving it so much. I really like this product so much that I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Razor is super cute, and also it came along with this beautiful manual as well. It's a very cute manual. This razor is amazing. This is actually from the brand Blush, and I just love it so much. It also comes with a cap also for the protection, and it's very cute looking and very gorgeous and very lightweight. And this is the shaving gel that they came up with. It has this aloe vera extract and vitamin E. It lathers up a bit. It smells great, and then it's more easier to shave like that. And this is phthalate free, paraben free, silicone free, sulfate free, and also it's 100% vegan. This razor, I use it for my underarms and legs and hand. Legs and hand I don't do all the time. Once in a blue moon I do. Try it on. It works so smooth. It's made of stainless steel. It has got 5 blades over here. It's awesome, and it gives a clean and a close shave as much as possible. It's very nice. It's so quick and it's very easy and gives a very smooth skin. It has this aloe vera strip on this, so it actually moisturizes the skin as well, so it doesn't dry up the skin. Once you get this razor, you can just change the cartridges over and whenever you need it. You don't have to get this razor on the hole at all. This is just for about 500 rupees, but it's totally worth it because it works really wonderfully well. Press open it and you can remove the cartridge as well. You can buy cartridges from online sites like Amazon and things like that, and it's very easy to use and very quick to use as well. So the shaving gel, again, it smells really nice, foams it up really well, helps in even more closer, easier, quicker shave. I just love it. So you just have to shave it against the direction of your hair growth. And there are some myths like the hair will grow back again thicker and more denser and all of it. None of that actually happens, because I've been shaving for ages and it's like working perfectly fine. Especially underarms, nothing at all happens to it. Blade is actually going to last for a long time if you don't let the blade be in a damp place. If you let the blade be in a damp place, then it kind of rusts up and all of it. It's really bad to use on the skin. So what I personally do is, like, the minute I'm done using it, I'll wash it off completely, immediately press a towel against it and completely dry it off, and I just keep it away from the bathroom. So I've just used it like 2 times and I'm already liking it a lot. So you guys must really try this. There is another easy way to remove all the body hair if at all you're interested in removing it. Called is the wheat trimmer. So this is exactly how it is. I have never used a trimmer ever at all until I got this thing, which is like 2 years ago, I believe. I'm gonna leave the link of the product as well. It comes in a pink pouch like this. This pink pouch is practically useless because it's very flimsy, but then you can actually put in all the accessories inside of it and keep them all really safe. Now this trimmer is really great. Why? Because it works amazingly well, and I don't even know what to say about it. Like, you should try it to know how great this trimmer is. So this can give close shave if you're going to use it just like this. There are multiple attachments for it. You can just attach it like that and then give like 2 mm or 4 mm length hair. You can just leave it. You can just easily use it and use a different attachment as well. The best part is it never ever cuts your skin. It's very safe. Mostly I don't use any of this attachment because I just go for like close shave and it's like completely perfect with it. And this trimmer is great for shaving your bikini area. It's just great. This wheat trimmer has also got another attachment like this. Now this is actually used for facial trimming, which I've never actually used it. So there are like 2 blades here. If you can see, here is a longer one here and a smaller one here. It trims off the hair from the bottom of your eyebrows and also on top of the eyebrows. And you can also take your upper lips, but I personally don't do it. I don't do anything with my face at all. I just let my upper lips just like that. I've never trimmed it ever at all in my life. Just turn it a little, easy to remove it. It also tilts up like that. You can have a close trim when you're just doing it like that. There's one little drawback about this is it is not like USB charging. You need to have a battery to power it up. But the best part is Amazon product actually comes with a battery. So they gave the battery along with the product. I've used it for more than 2 years, but still it works perfectly fine. I just love it. If you just press on the button here, you hear the vibration sound, right? That's it. It doesn't move or anything. You can easily take up the hair, and it's very quick and very simple. It's one of the best thing that you can actually get. You don't even have to do waxing or any of it expensive thing at all anymore. You can also use it in shower as well as dry trimming also you can do. The skin doesn't get hurt, it doesn't dry up the skin, it doesn't harm the skin anyways. Now these are the two products that I absolutely love by the Veet Trimmer and the Plush Razor. Veet Trimmer is great for bikini area and facial trimming, and this is great for shaving larger areas like underarms and legs and hands. It's quicker and more easier and gives a very smooth finish. I just love the way these two work. None of these process causes any pain and is also very affordable, because one time you get it, it's going to last for years together. So it's definitely a great bet for you to buy these once and then keep using it for years and years together. Now after shaving, you can actually apply some almond oil or anything on your legs and hands, and also it's great for moisturizing your skin as well. But if you want something really fancy and a very good smelling oil, then you should definitely try this out. It's called as the Plum Body Oil. It's Hawaiian Roomba range. It's the best. Okay, I'm just obsessed with the smell of it. The smell is really great. Since the smell was really great, I went ahead and I ordered a shower gel, and I'm also done with the shower gel also. So this range from Plum Goodness is really great. The smells really nice. It also moisturizes the skin, and the oil instantly sinks in, so even when you're wearing jeans or any kind of dresses, the oil wouldn't transfer to it. So it's a great for moisturizing and also smells very great. So yeah, I hope you liked all the products I showed in today's video. Do not forget to check it out on the description tab below to find the links of the products.